You ever wondered how many people it takes to run a massive operation like Relay? Yeah, me too. I mean, we're talking about a company that's changing the game in its industry. So, let's dive into the big question. How many employees does Relay actually have? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. Understanding the size of a company can give you a real sense of its scale, its reach, and its potential. It's like looking at an iceberg. What you see on the surface is just the tip, but underneath, there's a whole lot more going on. So, Relay. A name synonymous with innovation and progress. But just how big is the team behind this powerhouse? Is it a small, tight-knit group of geniuses? Or a sprawling corporation with thousands of employees? The answer might surprise you. To get a clear picture, we need to break things down. Let's start with the core team. These are the people behind the scenes, the ones who make the magic happen. From engineers and designers to marketers and sales, they're the backbone of the operation. But wait, there's more. Relay isn't just about developing cool products or services. It's about building a community. And that takes people. Customer support reps, community managers, and public relations folks, they all play a crucial role in shaping the company's image and building relationships. Then there's the business side of things. Finance, HR, legal, these departments might not be as glamorous, but they're essential for keeping the ship afloat. And let's not forget about the leadership team, the visionaries who steer the company in the right direction. So, how do we put all these pieces together to get a total employee count? Well, that's where things get a bit tricky. Companies aren't always transparent about their exact numbers. There could be full-time employees, part-time workers, contractors, and even interns to consider. But we can make some educated guesses based on available information. For instance, we can look at the company's website, social media, and press releases for clues. We can also check out job boards to see the number of open positions. And let's not forget about industry reports and analyst estimates. By piecing together all this information, we can start to build a picture of Relay's employee count. But remember, this is just an estimate. The actual number could be higher or lower. One thing's for sure, Relay has managed to assemble a talented and dedicated team. And as the company continues to grow and evolve, so too will its workforce. So, while we might not have a definitive answer to the question of how many employees Relay has, we can appreciate the scale and complexity of the operation. It's a testament to the company's success and its potential for future growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.